Just days ago, I was asked, how is it that you seem to stay so positive? And of course, I admitted I didn't always feel like that. And sometimes I get tempted to feel quite different. Uh, but you could count the number of days where I felt apprehensive and sad, or whatever problem you pick. I could probably count those on one hand out of the past month, right? And let's set aside the idea that your problems and my problems might be different problems. You know, you might be in the middle of Hurricane Beryl. You might be concerned about the Supreme Court decision. Uh, Maybe the rent's coming due really soon. Maybe you're concerned about your kids. Maybe you're concerned about your pet. There's so many things. And of course, it could just be that you haven't changed what you say in your head into something that will make you feel good, right? And maybe for the sake of realism, you might feel like you have to address this and that, and there are these cons over here, and this has this negative effect, negative consequences over here. Sure, your intelligence is giving you the opportunity to see that, but what you're thinking may not have the best effect on what you're feeling. Now, if your hand's on the hot stove, take your hand off the hot stove. But if we're just talking about your thoughts and your feelings, right? Do you know when to take your hand off of the hot stove? When are you there to cook and get something done, right? And when are you just there to hurt yourself? Because there's a lot of thought that goes into depression and anxiety. Depression's usually about things in the past that we can't change. Anxieties tend to be about things that are coming in the future that we also feel unable to change. Now, in another video, I talked about the connection between you and how you feel now and the future and how you'll feel then. And trying to take a good feeling that you build now and see your future through that, right? And that's a fun video in my list. But let's just talk about some affirmations for a second, okay? A lot of times I'll encounter people at work and they've been giving themselves the hardest time over how they could have done this or that better. And it's really strange to discover how very self-critical people can often be. Now, let's set aside the idea that they're critical of lots of other people too, but let's just go back to that one key, right? Let's not worry about what other people think. Let's just think about what we need to feel, right? It doesn't involve lying to yourself, but it can involve focusing on wherever you can find the positive. And that's where the affirmations come in handy. So to affirm something is to state it as true, to make it a truth about yourself. So let's do some affirmations. You could say, I'm beautiful, right? And on some level, aren't you? You could say, I'm truthful, and that one's on you. If you keep talking to yourself about, I'm truthful, right, and you like the feeling that goes with truth, well, you'll find yourself gravitating towards it, right? But what else? Maybe there's something that you like. Maybe you like your ears. I like my ears, I like my nose. I like my lips. You can find something that you personally are very grateful for. Affirmation style. I can breathe. I am strong. You know, I am relaxed. I am wise. I am receptive. I am able to see solutions. I am able to let go of unnecessarily hurtful thoughts. I love me. I love others too. I believe in kindness. I believe in creativity. I am creative. I approach my life in a creative way. I am handsome. I am funny. I am thoughtful. I am considerate. I am intelligent. I believe in my ability to make my thoughts my ally. I love my feelings. I believe the very fabric of the universe itself is bringing me more of what I'm thinking about. It's bringing me good health, renewed strength. It's bringing me a sense of connection with people, and also the ability to let go of things as necessary, and even to let go of people as necessary. It's all about preserving who you are, making it as easy to be you as you possibly can in your day-to-day life. Thank you.